Do you have this problem? The refrigerator doesn't seal. As you see, the problem is that the magnet afterward lose the effect and hold away this magnet. So afterward you lock the door so it doesn't, as you see, doesn't seal, and the magnet is not properly seal the door, and it's caused that refrigerator running all the time. And as you see this gap here, so air coming inside and the refrigerator running all the time, and cause a lot of problem for your food inside, and also using a lot of electricity to make inside the refrigerator enough cold. So this is an easy fix, and I did it for a year now, and everything is perfect for me. I'm very happy. So it's very easy. Okay, first of all, buy a drawer safety latch. You can buy it from IKEA or other places. Doesn't matter. When you buy it, you just already cut this area. You should cut this area from here. Easy. We are going to install that one here, and you will see how is it work. I just unscrew that to demonstrate how this one working. So I will put it back, and you can see how is it work. You'll need just a drill, make a 2 hole here, one there, and one here. First one screw. And one more. That's it. And is also safety for children as well. Awesome. I did other ways, but never I get it to fully seal this refrigerator door. Yeah, the only way I found is this one, and is very cheap and easy. Don't be afraid to make a hole here, because it is double-sided inside, and no damage will be made. As you see, the thickness is very good here and here as well. Especially for old refrigerator, no problem to make a hole, yeah, and make it like me as I did. Thank you for watching this video.